Resolution to year 2025 private candidates to series 2. All right, here is the sketch plan, and we also have the specification, as you can see. So, okay, I start with the vertical side now. We draw the vertical line for the left hand side, and we input all the dimension. We have 4,500 for the bedroom at the left hand side. We measure that on the line. Then we have 1,500, and 1,500 simply means 1.5, that's centimeter. Then because we are given ratio 1:100, therefore every parameters, the building should be divided by 100 in this plant section. And we move forward by, after we fix the vertical side, then we now go to the horizontal side. So we'll take our T-square and place it on our ruler to be able to draw a correct perpendicular horizontal base. So we draw that. We also measure the kitchen, the porch, and the bedroom in it. So in the kitchen we have 2,500 for the store, then the full kitchen is 2,500 plus 2,000. So we move to the other side too. We do the same thing, draw the vertical side according to dimension 4,000, 2,000, 1,500, 4,500, then we join together. Alright, now next is to build our walls. Now, first build walls around the space we've created. So now we'll go to the specification. All walls is 225 concrete hollow block plus 15 rendering internal and external. So we'll add both internal rendering with the external rendering with the hollow block to have 255. So that we now approximate, and now we'll go to the scale given. The scale given is 1:100, that is, we will represent 100 with 1. Now 100 millimeter to be 1. So now that we have 255, we divide by 100, so we have 2.5. So but to make the work easier for us, we'll assume our dimension. So because it's also stated that we can assume suitable dimensions. So instead of us using 2.5, we'll now go, instead we use 2 or 3. So in here I'm going to be using 2. So like that means I'm going to measure 0 point, because I'm using a ruler in centimeter, so it's not going to be 2 per se, it's going to be 0.2 centimeter. So that is, you count 2 lines after the zero. So I'm going to put that on this left side vertical side. Now I'm going to measure 0.2, then use my ruler to draw it, to draw the line. Then on the other side too, I might measure 0.2 both up and down on the vertical side. Now then I will also draw building wall on those measurements that I've taken initially, and that is how am I building the wall. I'll measure zero. My dimension for the wall is 0.2 centimeter. So on each point that I've indicated initially to um, divide the building. Now on the wall of the bedroom on the right and on the left, I build the wall, that is on the measurement that I've taken to um, identify the bedroom, which is 4 point, which is 4.5 centimeter. Now because both on the right and on the left we have equal dimension, so I'm going to be building the wall on the two sides and use my ruler and set my ruler to be able to draw the wall at the same time, uh, which is 0.1 to the right and 0.1 to the left of the wall. So then on this my right side, I will finish up all the sections of the rooms that I have here, the WC, the bathroom, and also the bedroom that is beneath at the base. All right. So, and also as I'm drawing each rooms and sections of the uh, plan, I'm also going to be writing the indicating each sections with the appropriate names now as it is given in the sketch plan. So then I look at the other side also. I look at the walls that is corresponding to the walls in the right side. I also extend the walls to that part. So I haven't done that. Then concerning the rooms, the storeroom, now the dimension is given beneath which is 2.5. So I will take the width 2.5. Then I haven't done that. I also take the height, and the height is also given 2000. So that is that. Now fixing the balcony side with the bathroom at the top. Now, before I could, because the dimension is not given, so how do I identify the dimension? First of all, I'll measure a little bit wall that is on the right and on the left. So I'll first of all uh, place my door dimension. Then after the door dimension, measure 0.3 above the door dimension to serve as the wall in which my door frame is attached to. Then after that, then I will now build wall on that 0.3 that I made above the door measurement, which is 0.9 zero point 0.9 centimeter. Then I'll build my wall on that. So as seen here, that's what I did.